Hello, today we're going to make rice. I'm showing my son Malachi here how to make rice, and some people are really intimidated by rice, but it's very simple if you just follow a few guidelines. Put 1 cup of rice and 2 cups of water. You always put 2 to 1, 2 parts water, 1 part rice. And then we're going to put a little bit of butter, about a tablespoon of butter to help keep it from sticking. And a few shakes of salt, pinch of salt, that's enough. Give it a little stir. And we put our lid on it. And turn it up to high. Turn the burner on high. And then we're going to, that's it. Then we're going to let the water start coming to a boil. And when it comes to a boil, we'll turn it down to simmer or low and leave the lid on it and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Rice will start to boil, so I'm going to turn it down on low, simmer, and put the lid on and let it go for 15 minutes. Set the timer for 15 minutes. Okay, our timer's gone off, so Malachi, we need to turn the stove off, turn it off, take it off the burner. Pull your hand off the burner, take the lid off, and then fluff it up with your fork. Just take your fork and kind of fluff it around.
Like this?
Yes. And there you have perfectly cooked rice.